A homemade acne face mask is the perfect natural skincare treatment for acne-prone skin. Homemade face masks for acne are simple to make and won't break your budget. All you need is one simple ingredient you probably already have right in your kitchen. Homemade facial masks are a rejuvenating skincare treatment with quite a few benefits for acne-prone skin. Using a homemade face mask at least once a week will help cleanse and tighten pores, increase circulation, and improve your complexion. Before you get started, there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. Anything has the potential to irritate the skin, and caution should when applying these masks. If you have a food allergy to any ingredient listed, do not apply it to your skin. If you have irritated skin or open blemishes, you may also want to skip these masks as they do have the potential to further irritate the skin. It's also a good idea to conduct a patch test before applying any new ingredient to your skin to rule out possible allergies. The following homemade facial masks are two of the most popular for acne-prone skin. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein, an egg mask is a nourishing natural skincare treatment suitable for all skin types. Eggs also happen to make simple homemade mask for acne. Eggs have astringent, tightening, and toning properties that help heal and dry out blemishes. To make an egg mask for acne, you'll want to use the egg white only. All you have to do is separate one egg white into a bowl and stir gently. Next, you will apply the egg white to your face and allow it to dry for about 10 minutes. Once the egg white has dried, you will wash off the mask with warm water. The best homemade mask for acne, and my personal favorite, is strawberries. Strawberries are packed with natural salicylic acid that is super effective at banishing blemishes and deep cleansing the skin. Salicylic acid is the active ingredient used in many conventional over-the-counter acne treatments. Strawberries are also effective at lightening acne scars and blasting through blackheads. Making a strawberry acne face mask is really easy. All you need to create your own acne-blasting strawberry face mask is 1 cup fresh strawberries, preferably organic. Mash washed strawberries into a pulp and apply to clean, dry skin. Leave the mask on your face for 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water.